Karachi is not only the melting pot of all what Pakistan has to offer, but is the economic backbone of our great nation. Unlike other countries in the world, Karachi is not one of the many metropolises we have in the country. In fact, it is the only true metropolitan center we have as a country. Charter for Karachi is an initiative of Corporate Pakistan Group. Karachi has a unique significance, and holds strategic importance for the reasons mentioned in this documentary. Diversity. The city is often dubbed the mini Pakistan, for its unparalleled diversity representing all the ethnic, religious, and cultural shades of our people. No other city in Pakistan can match the city's diversity and all-embracing history. Economic hub. Karachi is the financial capital economic hub of the country, and is home to country's most prominent businesses: import, export, manufacturing, services, education, health, social, service, etc. Employment. Karachi is the biggest source of employment in the country due to its large industrial base. People from across the country come here to seek a decent living. The trend and pace setter, trailblazing progressive thinking, innovative solutions and modern standards. Karachi is always at the forefront of all the advancements in the country, from science to business, from culture to politics. The city sets the new trends and introduces country with the global ideas and innovation. Driver of corporate culture. Karachi sets the professional standards for the rest of the country, right from customer interaction, turnaround time, corporate governance or continuous improvement. The port city. The port of Karachi continues to fuel the country's industry, trade and finance. In addition to its massive role as the gateway to outside world, the city holds undeniable strategic and security importance. Karachi is uniquely positioned, and it will not be an exaggeration to say that much of country's present and the future depends on this city. Any disruption in Karachi will result in unbearable, far-reaching consequences for the entire country. Without prolonging the prologue, at least for the last 40 years, Karachi has only given and in return, proverbially speaking, has received nothing, not even some of the most basic amenities that are considered a given in rest of the urban centers in the world. As a result, Karachi now struggles to sustain its economic success and is not fully ready to play its role. There has been a gradual decline and deterioration, despite the fact the city has shown exemplary resilience and remains larger than life. But for how long is now the question. This is what precisely has happened to the city once called City of Lights. Karachi is on a ventilator looking for resuscitation from its loved ones. In this time of need, Corporate Pakistan Group (CPG), the leading platform of intelligentsia in the country, hailing from corporate world, business community, academia, technocrats, media, tech entrepreneurs, parliamentarians, bureaucracy, military, and civil society at large, has proactively organized debates and discourses on subjects of national and strategic importance. It advises, assists government and other institutions with solutions and recommendations. In the same vein, CPG has organized seminars, discussions and programs on Karachi with a focus on solutions and way forward in a constructive manner. The recent unprecedented torrential rains have left behind tales of destruction misery. Some consider it as divine calamity to jar the citizens of Karachi. True to its traditions, CPG, under the dynamic stewardship of Muhammad Asfar Hassan, founder chair of CPG, organized a national dialogue on Karachi's development with meaningful contribution from all 6 mainstream political parties of Pakistan, urban town planning expert, sitting and former governors of the province. The dialogue aided to understand the fundamental challenges and evolved a consensus on some key recommendations for Karachi. CPG welcomes the recently announced Karachi Transformation Plan, but staunchly believes that no plan or package can resonate without weighing in with the requisite reforms recommended in this charter. Based on various discourses, debates and discussions within CPG and also the national dialogue, we are delighted to share our recommendations as Charter for Karachi as follows. An empowered city government. The stakeholders must accept that Karachi has to come under one umbrella, and the city and its mayor to get the status and powers like mayors of other megacities around the world. Unified umbrella of city government. When it comes to civic services, all institutions should be under one governance of city government. Authentic census. Without the exact population figures, it remains an impossibility to undertake planning of any sort. Civic infrastructure. With empowered metropolitan government in place, authorities with the assistance of both federal and provincial government should undertake the launch and revamp of civic infrastructure of Karachi. Revenue generation. City government should be empowered to raise revenue in order to cater to the needs of the metropolitan from sources like octroi, civic taxes, traffic fines, car registrations, government services, etc. Strong robust accountability system. There is also a dire need for a strong accountability mechanism. Our civic agencies are plagued by corruption, whether under civilian or non-civilian control. Development of low-cost housing, for people to have an option to move into affordable, clean and respectable housing in more organized neighborhoods. Refurbishment renovation of existing industrial estates. At par with the ones in leading developing countries, and launching of new special economic zones (SEZs). Public-private partnership. This can be a game-changer from the perspective of optimum utilization of public resources, skills development in the public sector, employment generation, adoption of various projects under CSR or promotional budgets of corporates, and collaboration in numerous other areas with a win-win approach. Read all about the demands of CPG and Charter for Karachi. This is Pakistan Observer. Visit our YouTube channel for more informative videos. Thank you.